Public health officials are urging Alabamians to be aware of the whooping cough as cases are on the rise in Alabama.
Confirmed cases have been reported at UAH and Hillcrest High School in Tuscaloosa. News 19 State Capitol reporter Ryan Hall has more.
The Department of Public Health tells me the illness is resurging despite it being such an old disease.
As a physician myself, I always say, if you've heard the sound, you never forget it.
The whooping cough starts out as cold-type symptoms with a low-grade fever. Dr. Karen Landers with the Alabama Department of Public Health says it's most common in children.
And it is, again, a very, very persistent, very annoying type cough, and the whooping type cough that we see in infants and young children can cause children to lose their breath. It is just a really, really severe cough.
Dr. Colleen Toby Donahue, a primary care physician, says adults should be aware of the disease too.
So not just our young kids who have those nice small airways are why we get so concerned about whooping cough for young people and babies, but also for that older population that maybe has some other health issues that could interfere with it.
Dr. Toby Donahue urges Alabamians to protect themselves by staying up to date on their vaccinations. She says doctors are always there to help if you do get sick.
Let us help you figure this out, because it may be pertussis, but it may be something else. You may have some form of bacterial infection or viral infection that is also contagious, but managed in a different way. So I really encourage you to contact your provider.
And Dr. Landers says staying healthy and vaccinated is not just good for you.
Your grandparents will thank you if you don't bring your respiratory virus to them. Your grandchildren will thank you. Also the same thing, if your grandchildren are sick or the children you're around sick, don't take them to other places.
Landers says people don't like to hear it, but basic preventative measures like washing your hands and staying at home when you're sick is critical. In Montgomery, Ryan Hall, News 19.
UAH tells us there are, quote, limited number of reportable cases on campus, and they're taking precautions to keep the illness from spreading. We have more information about whooping cough for you on WHNT.com.